We got another great video for you today from How to Have Fun Camping. That's right, we're at America's largest RV show in the country in Hershey. And you're going to love this one. We got a great video for you. The 2025 Surveyor 265RBLE. We loved this little travel trailer. And if you've been paying attention to our channel, you know we already did a video on the 275 FKBS and the 301 RKBS. But today it's all about the 265 RBLE. That's right. If you haven't, definitely check out our Facebook, Instagram, our website, howtohavefuncamping.com. Hit that notify button, hit that like button. It would mean so much to us and help us get this video out to everybody. If you haven't, definitely check out our mothership channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors. Over 10 million views. How to have fun cruising, how to have fun fishing, how to have fun hiking, and how to have fun 4x4. But back here on How to Have Fun Camping, we got all kinds of great RV videos. We've got campground videos. We got travel all over the country with RV and campers. You're going to love this channel. Let's go ahead and get started. We got another one. That's right. We just found out this 265 RBLE. That's right, guys. This is also new for 2025. It also has the limited time 400 watts free. And boy, oh boy, does this have a ton of features on it, as you can see right there. It is loaded. You're going to love this one. It's the Surveyor Legend by Forest River. Little outdoor kitchen action right here. Cast iron style, so you can go to town. And they've got the rear wheel mount on the back. Really nice unit, all prepped for the ladder and the rear camera, and we'll swing around. Two nice tires on the back of this thing, and these things are priced right. These are priced to move, and for 2025 they've really upgraded the colors, the look, the wood, everything about these units are a lot nicer. So we've been highlighting it all the 2025 videos, but they're throwing bars in, they're throwing in USB-Cs and Bs like never before. The control systems are fantastic, but for the most part the big difference is no more of the 70s, 80s look. I mean, they finally got the message, right?
Yeah, they got the message and they work it really well. I mean, look at just this wall with the kitchen. Nice accent wall, darker with the light kitchen, and the sink darker over a light table. I mean, everything is really designed to impress and to give a younger look to the unit.
Yeah,
so
this is definitely designed for the millennial generation, upgraded look. It's at the price point that young families can get into a nice travel trailer and hit the road camping. A lot of little accessories on here, like this bottle opener, 3-burner on this.
Yep.
Beautiful microwave setup, lots of storage on this. And having a big sink and countertop like this, I mean, in a little travel trailer, I mean, it's pretty crazy, right?
It's really, really nice. Look at the size of the refrigerator. Once again, they always think about everything, and obviously a nice refrigerator for a family. This is a big plus. One of the things that I love the most is this area. This area with a nice bar area, and then a table where you can dine with the rest of your family. Windows looking outside, but then if somebody wanted to just lay on the sofa and chill, well, it's right there by your side. So
yeah, and look at all the USBs. I mean, everywhere you look. I mean, they're there. These guys have thrown them all over these new RVs, and they've got key hooks here. They've got everything you need. Pretty awesome. The solar up above. And then take a look at this. You swing back by, your TV is over the dinette right there, so you can watch your favorite football team.
And look
Lots
at
of storage. Take a look at that. Wow.
This is a room, not a storage.
Yeah.
It's a storage room.
If you're bad, I'll put you in there.
Hey!
All right, let's keep going.
And then you keep going, and here you are in the bathroom. What about this bathroom is absolutely amazing. Nice medicine cabinet in the back. Big shower with light windows on top. I mean, this is as good as it gets. And then
spin around, do the little shower test.
The shower test is passed.
All right, very good.
And then right behind you, Tom, there is probably the biggest cabinet that you've ever found in a bathroom. I mean,
wow.
I don't know how to describe this. It's not pretty awesome.
Yeah, this is cool. So we're shutting down the place. We've done so many videos today, hanging out with all our friends at Forest River and Winnebago and Coachman and all the different Airstreams. But you know, this is a nice unit. Another brand new floor plan, never seen before. Derek got us into this one. They had it closed up. Gonna open it tomorrow, but we're showing everybody a sneak peek on this brand new 25 that's never been on YouTube before. So
Yep.
what else you got, Alice?
This fantastic door, I really love the doors that they did in this unit, separates from the bedroom area. And this bedroom, once again, I thought about everything. Really like the cabinetries, darker wood for the door, and darker wall in the back. So really nice ease and hers. As you can see behind the cabinet there is a little area with shelves, so you can actually have your phone charging or your book that you're reading, anything right there for his and hers once again. So really well designed, simple but elegant.
Yeah, again, more USBs, your 110, plenty of room to put all of your medical hardware there. And look at this, really nice.
Yep.
And the quality, just everything seems nicer. I don't know, it's pretty crazy. The look and feel of everything is definitely nicer.
The feel is way different.
It's like a memo went around Forest River, hey guys, it's time to step up. And they did. I mean, this is good stuff. I mean, it looks really good.
Yeah, we really enjoy this unit. Let us know in the comment down below. What do you think about this unit and the other unit that we showed you today? I mean, there are absolutely really nice elements. What would you like to change? What would you like to upgrade? I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.
How to have fun camping!